On Windows 10, quality updates or cumulative updates always download and install automatically as soon as they're ready for your device. While this approach makes sure that every computer has the latest security patches, performance, and stability improvements, it's also among one of the features that users complain the most. Typically, it's because to apply updates, users are required to restart their devices, and because updates are also known to sometimes cause problems negatively affecting the user experience. Whatever the reason it might be, depending on your edition of Windows 10, you can regain control and stop automatic updates using Group Policy and Registry. On Windows 10 Pro, you can use the local Group Policy Editor to disable automatic updates permanently, or you can change the Windows Update settings to decide when updates should install. To permanently disable automatic updates on Windows 10, use these steps. Step 1. Open Start. Step 2. Search for gpedit.msc and select the top result to launch the Group Policy Editor. Step 3. Navigate to the following path. Computer configuration to administrative templates to Windows components to Windows Update. Step 4. Double-click the Configure Automatic Updates policy on the right side. Step 5. Check the Disabled option to turn off the policy. Step 6. Click the Apply button. Step 7. Click the OK button. Once you complete the steps, Windows 10 will stop downloading updates automatically. Although the automatic updates feature will remain disabled, you can still download and install patches manually from Settings Update and Security Windows Update, and clicking the Check for Updates button. If you want to re-enable automatic updates, you can always revert the changes using the same instructions, but on step number 5, make sure to select the Not Configured option.